We at BridgeMed Solutions excel at the latest R&D, contract manufacturing, and consulting in transcatheter heart valve technologies. We are an ISO 13485 certified company dedicated to providing end-to-end contract manufacturing and consulting services. We custom produce aortic, mitral, tricuspid, and pulmonic valves per client's requirements. Founder Dr. Tara Kupampati's single most important objective is to help her clients bring their devices to the market in a cost and time-effective manner. We operate in a 12,000 square foot facility here in Irvine with state-of-the-art equipment. All our clean rooms are ISO 14644 certified and are top of the line. This clean room is designated for bovine pericardium. We also have an identical clean room for porcine pericardium. Here, several of our talented technicians are working on cleaning and inspecting tissue patches. Our pericardial tissue used to manufacture the heart valves are developed in-house with proprietary custom fixation methodologies. Here, our engineer is using laser technology to cut a leaflet for valve assembly. Our technician here is sewing together an aortic valve. Finally, we have an ISO 14644 Class 5 laminar flow hood in each clean room, where we package the final product for our clients. If you have any questions or wish to learn more, visit our website at bridgemedsolutions.com or call us at 949-315-7157.